He's got a snook. You got a snook over there, yeah. All right. You can lip those guys, yep. You want a little picture of that guy? Why not? No, you can't keep the snook anyway. No snook for the, not here. All right, good for sure. What do we got here? What is it? Oh, okay, leave them in there. Leave them in there. Yeah, you don't want to get stung by that thing. Oh man, I thought it was something good. Still good fight, huh? Still good fight, huh? Little guy? Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna come actually to your other side. No, you can. I don't do nothing with those. Some people use them as correct. But he's a little baby anyway. He's a little guy. Open your bail. Here, hand me the net. Hand me the net first. There you go. And open your bail now. Yeah. There you go.
Coach at a local bait shop.
Oh yeah. You know, you're not giving him any props. Let him go. Look at that guy. There he goes. Again, another one? That's 11 inches. Another one, I'm coming. Ooh, lucky he didn't fall off. It's okay, all right. Nice job. I'm right here. I'm right here. Hold on. Oh no, he can't. We can't keep him. Oh wait. Yes, we can. That's a trout. Hold on. Hold him right there. I'm trying to get myself in a better position. Oh. Bring him up into the net. Woo! It's a trout. Open your bail. Put it in the rod holder. Once it's, open it again. Yep. Put it in there. Oh, you can close it now. Close the bail. All right. I'm coming over there. That's another good one. Okay. Oh yeah, he's not a keeper. They gotta be 10 inches. Yep, I see it. Don't worry about it. Just trying to get in a better position. All right. Yes, sir. You got you got dinner for sure. Between mangrove and trout. Get my ugly ass foot out of the way. Trying to get one of him in the background. There we go. All right. Here. Another mang, huh? You look 10 inches? No. He is close. I'll give him a measure since I'm here.
Let's say 9, 8.5.
Just throw him in the boat that way. All right, let's see where you're at, buddy. Yeah, he's short.
I think we're running out of live ones in here, ain't we?
Yeah. It's okay. Yep, 9. Lucky. Mohara? Put it in reverse. Yeah, come over here with me. I think that's a pinfish or a mohara. That's a pinfish. Big old pinfish. We can use not eating yet. Come towards me. Yep. Put you in a little bit of shade. Keep coming towards me, like if you want to crash into me. There you go, right there. All right. Keep coming, turn. Yep. All right. Now put it in reverse. And I'll start going in reverse. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Turn it this way. Slow now. Yep. You're gonna crash into, you can put it forward now if you want. Yep, no, don't kick, yep. Just stay there, yep. Good. Just give you a little shade, yep. And then we'll tie you up with something here, or we'll put the anchor down. I mean, I'll come help you with that. Here, come, grab the...
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm just trying to get you really in the shade. Now you chill there.
Perfect.
Sort of in the shade.
Good. Oh. Are you hungry?
There you go. You're all the way in the shade now. Yeah, as we work our way back, I'm gonna have you go in front this time, Scott, and then you're gonna try to make some casts. And there was a few gaps in there that we might be able to get a cast in. I saw like 4 or 5 redfish in a hole. Something on his target. Look at that. He's upside down right now. Oh, he got him. He flipped him up. Did you see the fish? Yeah. It was a snook or something. Oh, he's chasing. That dolphin just ruined your fishing spot. Oh, okay. Oh, he got something. He got a snook, it looks like.
Oh, yeah,
Snook in his mouth? Yep. Look at that. Good for you, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, good one, too.
Oh, you showed it off?
That's not a bad one. Yeah, it's about 20 inches. No. You got to push those little black levers towards you. Both of them. And then it'll pop out. The little black. There it is. Those are the ones. Nope. Been doing it a while. Bring the rudder up. That's the other thing, and I'll show you how to do that. So you just bring this towards you. Pull it all the way and then lock. There you go. It'll lock with those teeth now. Stand by. Amber's left. How you doing, Amber? Say hi to the camera. Did you have fun? All right. All right, that's what I want to hear. So, since you're going to be doing it again, remember, you remember how to take these out? So bring towards you, yep, and then it just pops out.
Nope.
Straight up.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the second thing, then you can just throw that there. You pull this towards you, and then it'll, yep, let it go and it'll lock. That brings the rudder up and you're done. And then I'll bring you up all the way over here.